That's that tree. What? Let me live, you dummy. Blow like the wind. Blow. Get it. Get it. Blow.
Can we watch a video?
Get it. I said flip your face.
Ah! Look at the... Oh,
Yes! Holy crap! That's bad. It's like terrible.
wow! Look at that bird!
Jesus' teeth is all over. Oh, look at this. Look, it's like tearing that little building apart. That's what all those little no. No, I'm alone up here. It's not cool. That's your face. That's not cool. Y'all want to see my car? Space right there. Space. That's my car. Oh! You can't look. That birdie's like just sitting here in its nest dying. That's so horrible. What is your it's cold and it's raining. Wear my black top. Yeah. No. I just saw a lightning bolt. Like there, where the Mexican restaurant is.
One of the boards of the
It's like tearing the building apart, and then there's.
And one of the boards over there,
Like boards are flying off the house, and then there's a bird nest in that tree, and it fell on the ground. And all the birds like they.
Yeah, look at that.
There's lightning and everything. Like Sheila, I missed it. I'm getting it now. Well, you got in it, so you're in the video. It's going on YouTube. Oh hell yeah! I ain't restarting it. You look pretty. You look perfect on this face. Gingers are gonna die.
You want to vote for Mom?
Not doing that. Told her that, dumbass. There's a lightning bolt coming from somewhere. Okay, this just got boring. Take my hand. Jesus, take the wheel. Well, there's a church right there. We can go to Jesus right now. There's another bird. No, there's now. Now that was the bird that flew. There's we have to do ours in their face before we die. Alright, that was gay. Let's do everybody on the dance floor. Whoa! See that? Hey! Take my hand. Hello, child.
Me and you get the trash down there before it starts raining.
Hell yeah, we can get the trash down there before it starts raining.
I want to go